That's it.
Hey everyone, it's Tidius from FPSB. Today it's the last stream for the Team World Cup, so I will be with the other organizer Dosfall from FPSB and
Hello, everyone.
and
Hello.
and Kofi Loki, one of our judge from Thailand.
Yeah, hello.
So first we want to thank our partner for this tournament, Votex, the famous world pen modder, and Pens Factory from Poland. So they will be our two principal sponsors, and they will give money prize to the participant, to the winners. And now let's talk about this final round. The final round has two battles. The first part battle is a FPSB battle between the two last team, and also a battle between Dustfall and me. And the very important battle for the title of World Cup winner, it's between Jeb and a team from many country. I'm sure there are 5 different countries in the front four.
Yeah.
So just to recap for the battle, you have Aesthetism, you are versus Dark Cutty, Power Cat versus Rotation, Wiper Base versus Juan, and Duet Enist Tuvecat versus Oyer Pixel. First, when you see that combo, what didn't you think in overall, Kofi?
Again, please.
When you see the final combo for the first time, what did you think about the video?
Yeah. Actually, there is some very great combo that deserve to be in the final round of the international competition. But to tell the truth, some of them a little bit disappoint me. But yeah, those are still great effort, the combo for the competition. But maybe the level is a little bit too low as for the final round.
And you, Dust?
I think it was a very cool final, but I expected more from maybe a combo like rotation or cats for a horror team. It was quite a special team for that.
Yeah, I was a little bit disappointed because we don't have complexity in final. And I think complexity battle between Yua and Pixel would be a great battle for this tournament.
Yeah.
And it's the little thing I'm mad about this tournament. It's Pixel can't show off all his skill because he don't get his complexity. And I hope
he's very unlucky.
Yes, but like he said, it's his last tournament. But he already said that 3 times, so maybe it's a kind of technique to be really focused on the tournament. Because if I remember, he goes to the final in UPSBT by Isaac, and now he's in a final, and maybe he win the title. So it's maybe a technique for be really focused. And for the first place battle, we don't speak too much because it's not very interesting. It's funny for the FPS beam and not funny for the rest of the world. So maybe we will directly give the winner if you want Coffee and Dust.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So it's the great moment. Here are the result for the final round. You can check all the judgings by Coffee Lucky, Isaac, Afro Twigs, and Evans after the video. So maybe hopla. We will talk about the prize. So for the prize, the first team will receive a cash prize. Then they will get a mod by Vortex, and Pens Factory will also propose some stuff, but we don't really know what for the moment. So for the first place, okay, spoiler. For the first place, it's a winner. It's a win for the team Punk Cannot 3-2 with Gunter win over Ivabois. It's a very special moment for him, and we are all FPB. We're all happy for Gunter. And for the final, because Dustfall are too creepy to hide the result, it's the front row by 4-1. The front row wins the World Cup. And in a 3-1, the front row lost only two judges. Just they go 5-0, then they go they go 3-0, 2-1, and 4-1. That's really impressive. Maybe you have something to say about this team, Kofi. We know you are the manager of this team.
Actually, I just gather them together and maybe just tell them to send the combo punctually. Actually, I didn't do anything much. Their skill is very great for themselves. And truly, I'm very happy because Oya is from the same country as me, so it feels like I'm win too, even if I didn't participate at all. Yeah.
And you, Dust, what did you think about the front row victory?
I'm really surprised that the front row win quite easy versus Jet Team, because it was quite. They sent a really big combo, and it's a really big victory for them. I think, I expect more hard battle for this final.
Yes, we have a great final, but I think we can get a better final. Maybe Japan will. Japan was surprised by the duet, because the Japanese duet has a very high level, and just after Oye and Pixel post her combo, and you see a more greater combo. So it was really amazing moment in the tournament. So for finish this little stream, we will talk about the reward, the award, for this tournament. So we have many awards. We have the best combo by TEM. So if you see someone in a TEM and you think, oh, he's not the best in power or in aesthetism, but he don't participate in, so don't be shocked. It's just the best combo send for each category. So for power, the best combo is rotation in the final round. In aesthetism, the best combo is Wong. I don't know if I say his name properly, no? Dust Coffee. It's Wong.
It's Hound.
I think it reads like Hung or something.
Yeah.
Okay. For taps and counter, Dark Scatter in 1-2. For complexity, Yua in a 1-3 for his battle versus Taiko. And for Wiper, Beige in a 1-3. In a 1-3 versus Mushroom. So Dustfall, in a 1-3, your team take two of the best combo of the tournament.
Yeah, they are the best.
And then we have the jury select the rookie of the year, the rookie of the tournament. Sorry, so it's a prize for a spinner that never participate in any international tournament. So the title go for Ketin from Poland, because he only survived one round, and all jury was impressed by the power tricks. So Ketin is the rookie of the tournament. And for the last, I forget the duet. The best duet of the tournament is Pixel and Oye in the final. And so for finish, the MVP of the tournament, the most valuable player or spinner as you want of the tournament, goes to Dark Cathy from Brazil and from the front row. Kofi, what did you think about the prestation of Dark Cathy in this tournament? Because he goes very well in a taps and counter, then he goes very well in the final in aesthetism. So what did you think about the tournament of Dark Cathy?
Yeah, he did. He's the one that did the very best in this tournament. He participated in every round and also with several loss. So it's very impressive one. Also, he can do in many teams. If he has a chance, maybe he can try complexity too, I think.
Because in a FPSB point of view, we are really impressed by Yua and also by Yua and I forget the second one. Well, by Yua and Ennis, but you prefer Dark Cathy. Sorry. We are really impressed by Yua and Oye, and you choose Dark Cathy, so it's a little bit surprise for FPSB, and I hope he will continue to progress, because in the WT of the last year he goes 1-4, I think.
Yeah.
And I hope next year he will go semi-final or final of the World Tournament. He can. And so
World Tournament next year.
Yes, so the next tournament will be organized by
right. Yeah, seems like Isaac gonna do that.
Yes, so it will be a great competition. We want to see all these guys from Team World Cup with more experiences, like Ketin, like Yua, like Dark Cathy. And if you had to say no, a favorite for the World Tournament, who will you choose, Kofi?
For the next year World Tournament, right? I'm not sure, since there is still many people that still working now. I think I hope we can see somebody like Menova or Herens Sagami that will participate in next year, since they didn't have a chance in last year.
And for you, Dust?
I don't know, because it depends who will participate in, but I think Isaac or maybe Aaron's have a chance to win, and other great people like Kagami or Doct is a good spinner to win this tournament, I think. But we must to see we will participate in.
I hope it will be Chip Salsa.
Yeah.
Chip Salsa needs to win for the pen spinning. So now we will finish this stream. We will say thank you to all the people that helped the tournament before, like Chus or Tash. I want to personally say thank you to all participants because it was really amazing for the FPSB to organize an international tournament, and it's a great experience. I want to say thank you to Dustfall, even if he beat me. And I want to say thank you to all the judges, including you, Kofi, and hope you are happy because your team win the tournament, and that it's after the Siwa Pop victory, it's a new title for Thailand.
Yeah.
So now Thailand start to be a very big board in pen spinning with two World Tournament and 2 World Cup. And you will publish your Spinner of the Year award, Kofi? And,
Spinner of the year. Spinner of the year. My spinner of the year thing.
Did you have an hour to see the video or the result?
All right. The spinner of the year from the Remembrance of Pen Spinning it will be premiere in about next 2 hours on my YouTube channel. Yeah.
Okay, that means nice. So don't forget, in 2 hours, go on the Coffee Lucky channel and you will see the spinner of the year in international level because OnJeb is only for Japan people. So we'll see an award given by a lot of spinner from all the board. We have FPSB judge, UPSB judge, Taiwan and Thailand judge. So it will be an international contest. So thank you for all people who support us and see you soon.